Model, 70 Plate Vauxhall Vivaro Trafic 2900 Sportive runs engine knocking needs repair full service history Euro 6 No Vat. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 79,298. MOT, the 8th of May 2026. Engine, 1499 cc DV5 RUCD. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking. The engine will need repairing or replacing, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean.